gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah. Push and pull.
In 2026, it's incredibly difficult for any camera device to truly stand out and leave a lasting impression. And yes, I'm deliberately saying camera, not just smartphone, because the OPPO Find X9 Ultra has clearly gone beyond being only a phone. At this point, it feels like a professional camera system in its own right. Its rivals are no longer limited to flagship smartphones with strong imaging systems. It's also competing against today's most popular dedicated cameras, from those iconic CCD cameras loved for their signature colors to premium medium format systems famous for their rich texture and depth. Wanting both color and texture sounds almost impossible, but after going through thousands of photos captured with the Find X9 Ultra, one thing became obvious to me. This phone is a complete all-round imaging machine.
A quick shout out to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from techmaiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out our exciting tech content.
Before getting into the camera performance itself, I first want to talk about the thing that immediately caught my attention: the design. The OPPO Find X9 Ultra doesn't look like a traditional smartphone. Its massive camera platform feels like something designed with a photographer's mindset rather than a phone designer's approach. The moment you see it, it reminds you of the elegant industrial designs usually reserved for premium cameras. The color of the camera module feels natural and timeless, almost like something inspired directly from the outdoors. And then, once you look closer, the details start to reveal themselves. The stitched vegan leather brings a calm, Scandinavian-inspired aesthetic that feels clean, organized, and sophisticated. The orange buttons, the classic Hasselblad branding, and the finely engraved gear-style textures all contribute to the feeling that this is more than just branding. It feels like a continuation of Hasselblad's creative spirit. The triple anodized engraving process used for the layered details gives the entire design a premium mechanical soul. And the phone itself is only part of the experience. The photography kit designed for the OPPO Find X9 Ultra follows the exact same visual language. Every detail matches the device perfectly, both visually and ergonomically. Whether you're holding it or simply looking at it, the entire setup genuinely feels like operating a real Hasselblad camera. Honestly, it almost feels less like an OPPO phone with Hasselblad tuning and more like a Hasselblad camera carrying an OPPO logo. What's even more interesting is that in my personal experience, I actually enjoy using it more than some real Hasselblad cameras. The reason is simple. The portrait photography experience here is something traditional cameras simply can't replicate. The core of the OPPO Find X9 Ultra's portrait capability clearly comes from the addition of the new Master Light native film mode. In modern mobile photography, creating a strong color style is incredibly difficult because everything has to be balanced at once: color science, image quality, clarity, and realistic reproduction. Most imaging systems can only get part of that balance right, but the Master Light native film mode on the Find X9 Ultra manages to preserve rich, emotional colors while still maintaining incredible detail and texture. Even through a phone display, the images feel crystal clear and alive. The first moment I saw the original film-style output from this mode, I immediately connected with it. It very obviously tries to recreate the classic film look many photographers love, especially those deep greens and candy-like blues inspired by USTC Portra 400 aesthetics. And honestly, it's hard not to fall in love with that look. With the addition of this system, OPPO's imaging platform now offers one of the richest color libraries available today, covering almost every timeless style photographers care about. After spending time with the OPPO Find X9 Ultra, I genuinely feel these classic film-inspired colors are all most users will ever need. You probably won't feel the urge to buy trendy CCD cameras or subscribe to expensive film-style editing software anymore, because this device already delivers that experience. What's making it even more impressive is the hardware supporting all of this. The lens system is top tier, especially the portrait lens using the golden 70mm equivalent focal length. On top of that, OPPO equipped the device with the largest telephoto sensor used by any smartphone manufacturer this year. Because of that, the phone can maintain outstanding image quality across complicated lighting situations while preserving those rich colors. The Find X9 Ultra also supports multiple focal lengths along with direct 25-megapixel photo output, giving images not only beauty but also a sense of longevity and timeless detail. Even though the normal and portrait modes are already excellent, OPPO still provides more advanced creative tools for photography enthusiasts. In my favorite shooting mode, the Master mode, fluorescent film simulation is now available as well, adding even richer layers and tonal depth to the photos. Without relying heavily on aggressive computational algorithms, the Master mode on the Find X9 Ultra produces an incredibly natural and emotional representation of real light and shadow. If there's one feature that truly separates this phone from the competition, Master mode is definitely one of the biggest reasons why. But the portrait experience goes far beyond software and color science. The OPPO Find X9 Ultra also introduces something almost unheard of in the smartphone industry, a built-in 10x teleconverter system. In an era where brands are constantly pushing external clip-on lenses, OPPO instead chose to integrate a true 10x optical solution directly into the device itself. This system expands the entire focal length range from 14mm all the way to 260mm, creating an incredibly complete shooting matrix that goes beyond the traditional Holy Trinity focal lengths photographers usually rely on. That flexibility makes shooting different subjects incredibly easy. The 230mm equivalent focal length, for example, creates a very special compression effect for portraits. It helps subjects stand out beautifully, even in busy environments, while also creating a natural shooting distance that feels psychologically comfortable. At that range, you can quietly capture subtle facial expressions and genuine emotions without invading someone's space. Of course, telephoto photography at these extreme focal lengths is extremely difficult, but OPPO approached it with some genuinely advanced engineering. The Find X9 Ultra introduces a new reflection-free periscope system that redirects light internally through 5 separate reflections. On top of that, OPPO developed nano-level coating technology that acts almost like an optical air cable, filtering stray light and improving image purity. The result is remarkably clean telephoto photography even at very long focal lengths. Simply put, with this 230mm equivalent 10x system, the OPPO Find X9 Ultra essentially gives photographers nearly every focal length they could realistically need for portrait photography. And portraits are only the beginning. This phone can do far more than that. The OPPO Find X9 Ultra also continues to dominate as one of the best concert photography phones of the year. In today's world, concerts have become an important emotional and social experience for many people, which means camera performance in these environments matters more than ever. In fact, one of the biggest reasons external telephoto lenses became so popular recently was because people wanted better concert shots. But OPPO approached this challenge with 2 major solutions. The first is the built-in 10x optical zoom system I mentioned earlier. Because it's integrated directly into the phone, the Find X9 Ultra can already handle many concert situations without needing external accessories. Once you push beyond 20x zoom, it still manages to capture surprisingly impressive stage photos. And it's important to mention that the sample shots I captured were intentionally taken from seats positioned quite far away from the stage.
On top of that, the teleconverter kit for the OPPO Find X9 Ultra can extend the focal length all the way to an equivalent of 300mm and even push further to 690mm or an incredible 1380mm. That means no matter where you're sitting at a concert, you can still capture stunning stage shots with ease. Whether it's a wide shot of the entire stage, dynamic performer movements, or close-up facial expressions, the phone manages to record everything beautifully. And honestly, seeing Jolin Tsai still looking so charismatic after all these years was seriously impressive. But as much as I enjoyed using the teleconverter at concerts, my favorite use case for it was actually wildlife photography, especially since this trip was centered around exploring nature. And naturally, the perfect place for that experience was a nature reserve. Welcome to the world of golden monkeys. I've always had a special affection for these animals. Luckily, our visit happened during the golden monkey's birthing season, meaning new life was everywhere around us.
With the OPPO Find X9 Ultra combined with the teleconverter system, I was finally able to truly observe them from a distance. Watching baby monkeys interact playfully with their families while still being far enough away not to disturb them was an amazing experience. For wildlife photography, distance has always been the biggest challenge. Traditionally, smartphone cameras struggled in this area because of focal length limitations. But with the rise of teleconverter systems, phones are suddenly becoming one of the best tools for observing and documenting animals in their natural habitat. In the past, activities like concert photography or wildlife observation were often considered niche hobbies. But now, more and more people are realizing these so-called niche experiences are exactly where the real joy and emotional value come from. Everything I've talked about so far already appeals to a huge audience, but now I want to focus on the features that true professional users and hardcore Ultra Series fans will really appreciate. Our journey first brought us to Tacheng County in Yunnan, where some of the year's most breathtaking rhododendrons were in full bloom. After that, we even took a helicopter ride to admire the snow-covered mountains from an entirely different perspective. And finally, we went on an incredibly long hiking expedition to fully test the endurance and imaging capability of the entire OPPO Find X9 Ultra system. Let's begin with the new 200-megapixel Ultra Resolution mode. OPPO equipped this phone with a very rare dual 200-megapixel setup, which means both the main camera and telephoto camera can capture full 200-megapixel images. Personally, I'm usually not obsessed with high-megapixel photography, but whenever I encounter truly spectacular landscapes, I always switch to the highest possible resolution on any camera I'm using. That's because nature's beauty often lives inside the tiny details, the distant mountain ranges, the texture of grass nearby, the layers of the scenery. The OPPO Find X9 Ultra's 200-megapixel system preserves all of it in an incredibly natural way. Even after heavy cropping, the photos still maintain excellent detail and texture. It almost gives you a second opportunity to experience nature again, once in person and then once more later by zooming deep into the images. Some of life's most unforgettable moments only happen once, like sitting inside a helicopter while staring out at massive mountain landscapes in the distance. In moments like that, you naturally want to capture every single detail possible, and that's exactly where the 200-megapixel camera becomes incredibly valuable. It's also worth mentioning that the OPPO Find X9 Ultra isn't only impressive when shooting distant subjects, its close-up capabilities are equally strong. These macro shots were captured in extremely challenging environments, yet every tiny detail remains sharp and clear. It really feels like the phone is capturing the raw texture of the Earth itself. And the high-definition capabilities don't stop at photography. The video performance here is just as impressive. Yes, we are talking about full 8K recording. The OPPO Find X9 Ultra supports up to 10-bit 8K 30 FPS log video recording, which is honestly among the highest levels of motion clarity currently available in the smartphone market. Of course, I understand that most mainstream platforms still don't take full advantage of such high resolutions yet, but having more pixels gives creators far more freedom when reframing and composing video shots, something that was traditionally much easier with photography than video. Beyond resolution alone, the OPPO Find X9 Ultra also offers incredible color flexibility thanks to its log capabilities. You can even import your own LUTs for customized cinematic color grading. And for users who don't want to spend time color grading manually, there's also the Hasselblad Master Video Tone option ready to use straight out of the camera. By now, you've probably noticed how strong the color performance is on this phone, both for photos and videos. A huge part of that comes from OPPO's second-generation single-lens color environment sensor, along with its next-generation HDR multispectral camera system, and DCJ HDR technology capable of reaching up to 15 stops of dynamic range. At this point, it's probably clear why I describe the OPPO Find X9 Ultra as a true all-rounder. It feels almost limitless in what it can do. Whatever kind of photography you imagine, this device seems ready for it. If you love portraits, you get access to nearly every major color style, while still maintaining outstanding image quality and proportions. If you're interested in wildlife photography, the telephoto system allows you to capture scenes and details that normally wouldn't even be visible to the human eye. And if your thing is landscapes, the 200-megapixel 3 telephoto camera makes sure you don't miss even the smallest detail, whether it's far away or right in front of you. What really stands out is how well the OPPO Find X9 Ultra understands the needs of different types of users. From casual, everyday users to professional creators, it manages to deliver exactly the kind of experience each group wants. Even the hardware design itself feels carefully crafted to inspire creativity. From the phone to its accessories, everything encourages you to go out and shoot more photos. Objectively speaking, no camera in the world is truly perfect, but subjectively, this one gets surprisingly close. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.